Unlock the secret to viral videos by learning how to craft irresistible thumbnails with Nano Banana. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into how Nano Banana can transform your video promotion game by creating eye-catching thumbnails that scream "click me." First, let's explore layout options. Nano Banana offers a fantastic array of predestined templates to get you started. Simply select a template that suits your video's theme, whether it's bright and bold for gaming, clean and professional for tutorials, or dramatic for storytelling. Next, text integration is crucial. Your thumbnail text needs to be readable and convey your video's core message at a glance. With Nano Banana, you can easily add and customize text, choose vibrant, contrasting colors for your text against the background, and pick fonts that are bold and impactful. Now, let's talk visual optimization. Add your best video still or a relevant graphic that hints at your content. Nano Banana makes it simple to position and resize these visuals. Don't be afraid to layer elements. Add subtle but effective graphic elements like arrows pointing to key areas or relevant icons to further enhance your message. The key is to create contrast and clarity. Ensure your main subject or text stands out. Use bright, contrasting colors for your background and text to grab attention. Think about what makes you click on a video. A circumflex euros. It's usually a thumbnail that promises something interesting and is easy to understand immediately. By leveraging Nano Banana's intuitive tools, you can design thumbnails that not only look professional, but also significantly boost your click-through rates. Experiment with different combinations of layout, text, and visuals until you find what resonates most with your audience. Happy thumbnail designing.